Hey guys, today I want to show you 8 reasons why Vlookup does not work. Sometimes maybe you have know how to create a formula for Vlookup, but there's some problem. There's some not applicable. You don't know what happens. I will help you out. I can see you 99% of your problems. There's another 1%. I don't know. Maybe your computer is too slow. It's almost dead. Maybe there's an earthquake. Maybe you wanna have a sleep. Okay, let's move on. The first reason is the table reference is not locked. Let me give you an example. We have the data here. In this video, I will not show you how to use Vlookup, but you have created a Vlookup here, and we are searching the data customer from customer ID and get the city, which city it is. You already created the Vlookup. As you know, you have just drag the formula here. Oh, we see CG12. The result is not applicable. What happens? Let's go to the formula details. Here, we see the search data is K4. It's here. The reference range is A1 to E12. A1 to E12. All the data here. I mark it right. But when I go to here, search data is K6, but the searching reference table is A3 to E14. A3 to E14. You can see the reference table has been changed. What happens? This is because here you didn't use the absolute reference. You just you can just do one way. You can just add the dollar value in front of the content here. Dollar value, dollar value, dollar value. Okay, here you see the reference table still A1 to E12. This is right. This is one way. Another way, let's go back to here. You just choose the F4. It will change it to absolute reference. You can see here, it changes to absolute reference. That's simple. If you do it again, let's see, F4 again. F4, you see there's some change. Sometimes you need to choose one absolute change. Sometimes you need to choose two. Okay, here that's enough. We just drag the data here. We just drag the data here. This is the result. The second reason is there's a typo in the context. Typically, it is just a space. Let's go to our example. Go to data 2. Here you have created a very good Vlookup formula. And we already use the absolute reference. Let me add it here. And you drag it. Why? Let's see here. SO20. Do we have SO20 here? We have SO20 here. But when we click here, there's a small space here. Take a look. This is a small space. What can we do? Okay, we just delete the small space. Here we get it. And here CG12. Oh, we don't have a space here. What happens? Do you have CG12? We have CG12, but we have a space here. So, to be careful, delete the CG12. Okay, you have the right result. Let's move on. The third reason is not having VLOOKUP in the first reference table. That happens to many new users. Let me explain to you. Here, let's create a VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, search data. We choose this is the data. And this is the number 5, 0. We see it's not available. What happens? Here, we see this is K4, this is A1 to F12. A1 to F12. Let's highlight here. This is very important. When you choose the reference table, you always choose the first column should be the column where the data from. Here, you should choose from B1 to F12. This is why. Oh, some people may ask, oh, if I choose here, it should calculate automatically from here. No. Excel doesn't know where you will start or where you will from. What if you have a data here? For example, if you choose this string, can Excel know you will stuff this column or this column? It doesn't know. So you should choose the right one. We just change here. Let's use VLOOKUP. Change the reference range from here to here. It works well. Okay, let's move on. The fourth reason is the reference table contains duplicates. What does that mean? Let's go. We create a formula here, and we added the absolute reference. And we copy the data here. Here, the problem is when we search SO20, we have two SO20 here. You need to remember that VLOOKUP always use the first one. It cannot search the second result. So when you have two duplicates here, it only uses the first reference. So this is very important. Be careful. Let's go. Numbers are in the text format. Oh, this happens so frequently. Maybe, okay, I marked it here. We want to search 1004 customer number and which city it is. We create a VLOOKUP. Lookup here. And this is the here. Five, 0. Why? We have 1004. Why it doesn't give the result? The reason is here you can see this is in text format. When you click the content here, you see a single quote. Single quote means it's in text format. Here is number format. So that's the reason. It's some options. Option 1, you add one single quote here. It will work. Let's go back. There's another way. We convert this one to number. We go to data and text to columns and delimit it and just choose finish. Okay, this converted to numbers. And let's go back again. There's another option. We can add one more column with equal A2 times 1. We kept all the text format and we add one new column, and this is number format. Let's delimit the column, okay? Let's VLOOKUP, search K4, range 6, 0. Bang out. The next reason is it doesn't have the right column number. We have HP14, we want to use VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we enter 8, 0. We want to know how many product quantity we have. We got the answer result false. Oh, that's not right. Why? 8. This is because you entered the wrong column. How many column it is? Let's count here. You just use the mouse to choose from the first column to the column where you want to search from. Oh, you have 9 columns, so you should change it to 9. There's a small tip here, and if you choose I1 and choose the Control, Shift, and the left arrow, let's go. You will choose all the data here. You can see this is 9 cells here. You can just 9. This is very simple. This is a small trick. The reference range is not big enough. We create a VLOOKUP HP14. This is the range 9, 0. Why? Here, A1G12. Let me highlight it here. The range you want to search is I, but the reference you only choose from A to G. That's not big enough. So let's go to VLOOKUP. We re-choose the range from A1 to I12. Bam, you have it. Let's go to the last one. Search data is not in the reference table. What does that mean? Let's go. Here, we create a VLOOKUP HP14 and reference range. We use absolute reference 9, 0. Drag it. Oh, it's not applicable. We see SO21. Can we find SO21 here? We search it. There's only one SO21 here. So that's it. Each video can solve you 99% of problem. If you are a beginner, probably you want to see another video about VLOOKUP. It will tell you from the beginner to the high level and also give you some examples how to use it in your daily work. It's really helpful. Thank you for watching.